Now in this video we will discuss circular flow of income. Circular flow of income refers to the cycle of income that take place in the process of production. So now this word flow, it means it refers to some continuity. Circular also refers to cycle, goes on, wheel moves on. So circular means it starts from one point, and after completing its three different phases of generation, disbursement and disposition, it comes back to the original point. So it is called circular. And the similarly flow is because there are certain phases. So the phases take place over a period of time. So because they take place over a period of time, so it is referred to as flow. So now it is generation of income, circular से cycle कह दो, cycle of generation of income in a process of production. So when production takes place, simultaneously income is generated. Now production, that output, that is in physical form, but the remuneration for the services provided in that production process, they are the factors which paid their services, which contributed in the production, they get some remuneration. That remuneration is income. So income is generated because of production. These take place, production and generation of income, they take place side by side, simultaneously, both happen. And three phases, I just write here, three phases of this cycle are, this circular flow are: generation, when output is generated, when output is produced, so it is the phase where income is generated. Then is the disbursement or distribution. Now the factors, they take the remuneration, उनको जो उनका reward मिलेगा in money form, that is distribution. And after ये remuneration उनकी income बन जाएगी of a recipient, and then they further spend it to fulfill their needs, and that is the third phase, that is called disposition. Or simple spending part of it. So